What's up, Tryharder people? Today we're gonna see together how to prepare these crispy chicken tenders. Before starting, let's check the ingredients we need. Around 400 grams of chicken breast, a couple of eggs and around 100 grams of breadcrumbs. About the seasonings, I used paprika, turmeric and a mix of spices for chicken. Alright, first thing to do is to cut those chicken breasts into small strips or into any form we want our chicken tenders to look like. Once we're done cutting, we can put them into a bowl and marinate with a teaspoon of olive oil and a good amount of mixed spices. Now mix it all together and let it rest while we prepare the other ingredients. So break up the eggs, add a pinch of salt and make an omelette. Next, pick your breadcrumbs and add your favorite seasoning to give your chicken a spicy and crispy crust. Nice! Our setup is almost ready. Take out the baking tray from the oven and put a foil of baking paper on it. Now turn the oven on static and set the heat to 180 degrees. It is time to put together all the ingredients, so pick some chicken strips and dip them into the eggs. From here, pick up a single strip, cover it completely with the breadcrumbs and place it on the baking tray. Repeat this process until we're done with all the chicken. Now it's time to bake. Place the tray at mid-heat in your oven and let the tenders cook for at least 20 minutes. After the first 10 minutes, make sure to turn them face down to ensure they get golden brown on both sides. And in general, give them a look once in a while. And that's it, Elf Eaters! Our delicious, crispy, not fried chicken tenders are ready. You can use them as an appetizer or for a last-minute dinner with friends. If you're craving fast food, I suggest you to get some low-sugar ketchup and dig some chicken tenders into it. You will forget about McDonald's and your macros will stay clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, make sure to share this video with friends, parents, strangers, dogs, everyone, and tell them that I'll be here next Thursday with another recipe. Eat clean and stay fit. See ya!